In this video, you will see the step-by-step how I made this beautiful dress. Hello, my name is Janaína Jensen. Welcome to my channel. For this dress, you will need a circumference of your hips plus shoulder until desired length of the dress. Here are the fabrics that I use. First is lace. It's a see-through, it's stretchy, so I don't need any buttons or zipper. And I also use two linings. This is a knit white one with a lot of stretch as well, and the black one. So I basically made two dresses. When I want, I use the white lining. It looks like this. And then I can also switch to the black lining. This one. It looks like this. And I'm sewing knit. I like to select a straight stitch, very small, like number 6, and also I like to use zigzag. I'm using a knit fabric to make the lining. I'm folding 4 times, and I will bring this t-shirt, and this fabric has the same elasticity of this lining that I'm using. I folded the t-shirt in 4, and now I'm cutting just following the same design of the t-shirt. I'm leaving like half of an inch seam allowance, and the lining I'm cutting is going to go all the way down like the entire dress. Now I'm going to open and work in the neckline. I'm going to mark 3 inches away, and I'm just going to go a little cut over here, and then I'm going to go back to the shoulder line, and I'm cutting super round to connect the little cut that I did below. For the lace part, I'm going to cut a rectangle. The hips circumference plus 3 inches by the dress desired length. I had my fabric folded once, now I'm folding again, and I'm bringing the dress desired length for me, starting from shoulder until the desired length I want it. Now I will get the lining. I'm gonna place in the top of this rectangle that I just made, and I will follow the same pattern. And I'm leaving half of an inch seam allowance, but here on the shoulder I'm making like 2 inches bigger over here. And in the underarms as well, I'm making a little longer, so I have a little bit of sleeves. I left the dress a little shorter than I wanted because I am going to add a ruffle. Now I will separate those 2 pieces, and this piece that I'm folding is going to be the front part, and I'm going to work in the neckline the same way, 3 inches below, and I'm gonna cut round. And now I have the 2 pieces together again folded, and I'm marking here 2 inches, and I'm just gonna cut round towards the center of the dress to make a little more design like so. But it's optional, you can leave straight. But here's the piece I just cut it, and here's the ruffle that I'm gonna add. I'm just gonna cut to match this design that I just made. A little angle. Gonna match over there, and then I'm just gonna make a little ruffle, and it'll be like this. Now I'm opening, and I'm gonna find the center here, and also the center on this piece that's gonna be the ruffle, and I'm going to match right sides together like so, and I'm just folding, making little pleats. It's like 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to hold on in place with pins, and I just start from the edge here, working towards the center, making more pleats. This piece of fabric is twice as wide as the dress. If you want more pleats, more gathering, you just make this piece longer. And here how it looks like, and I will make the same thing the other side. The other piece is ready. I'm gonna bring them together and sew on the sides and shoulder. I'm going to do the same thing, the lining part. For the hemming part, just fold it twice and a top stitch. And the dress will be ready. I decided to make a little detail. I'm just gathering some fabric in the seam. Just a little detail, and it's optional, but the dress is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it inspire you in your sewings. And if you like it, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here with me. See you next time. Bye.